YouTubers, my first London broil in Ontonagon this year got delayed by a day because of rain. It might have helped, it certainly didn't hurt. Seasoned it with applewood rub and sriracha. All right, it's cooking time. It's London broil cooking time. Piece of non-slip under the cutting board. Gonna make a foil pack like I likes to do. Already washed them. Okay, some mini peppers. It's gonna be big. Next to zucchini. Just gonna put some onion in there too, but I think that too much food already. Yeah, that's a lot. Olive oil. This is extra light. Somebody asked me if I care about which olive oil it is. No. I believe that was even Aldi's on sale. Creole seasoning. All right, that's gonna be a problem. That's too big a foil pack. All right, we're gonna get started. And onto the grill it goes. Beautiful London broil. Trying to get some grill marks on it in the wind. Turned out pretty good. All right, that is a beautiful London broil, and it is huge. I don't know how well I can cut. I got the GoPro on my lap. That is nice. I'm gonna start with the big piece because I'm really hungry, but I don't think I can eat all of it. All right, let me go get the rest of the fixins. London broil just makes me happy. Fly over. Potatoes, zucchini, mini peppers. Nice. Steaming hot. Hot off the grill. And over the London. Still got some good pink to it. I'm gonna cut this up and eat it. Okay, there's a piece of zucchini. Hot and good. Good for you. Potatoes. Good. Mini peppers. Alright, got my veggies out of the way. I'm gonna cut this. Alright, looks like I didn't record all that. I just ate some zucchini. I did record it, but it was good, so I did it again. Pepper, mini pepper. Potato. Also very good. I got the veggies out of the way. Alright, now time for the London. Here you go. Psych. That's really good. Cuts nice and easy. With a GoPro on my lap. Alright, this time I'll share. No, I won't. I am living good. That is so good. I love going RVing or camping or whatever you want to call it. That's good eating. Alright. Alright, YouTubers, stay safe. Try to eat well. This might not be the way you're supposed to eat, but darn, it tastes good. And if you do something like these London broils, which finally came down in price, get something awesome, and you'll have a great and wonderful day. Yeah. Oh, I gotta tear myself away from this wonderful London and go give that diabetic cat a shot. Because I fed them while I was eating. All right, YouTubers, again, keep having one of those great and wonderful days. I wanted to add, I know I don't have the COVID because my sense of taste is still good. If that ever stopped tasting good, I'd admit myself. All right, now I'm really signing off. Great and wonderful day.